you to freestyle it a little bit more. Like, I don't know if you ever skateboarded or BMX'd or skied or whatever. We're going to freestyle this a little bit, right? And even football players. I never played football. I have a friend that played some professional football. They freestyle it too, right? The hole was supposed to be over there, 31. Hey, boss, beast mode. Hi, boss, I saw it over there. I'll run through that, boss, right? Everybody loved beast mode. He just look at the hole and go. So I want you to be like, hey, Matt, Sean with Blanket Bay. Hey, was thinking about you guys today. I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Embarrassingly enough, I live and breathe equipment rentals. With you guys being a general contractor, if there's anything you guys need, even if it's just a second opinion on something, or you're on the fence about buying versus renting and the advantages there, or you just want to enter new markets, I literally live and breathe this stuff. I am happy to help you whether you're a client or not. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. You want to come off as a freaking dork that lives and breathes construction, right? Not a salesperson that's trying to find a way in there. You have to think of it in terms of like, I want to sound like none of my friends want to talk about heavy equipment rentals at parties. It's a subject that does not go well at parties. Orlando, anything you guys need in terms of talking about your current equipment, talking about your future plans. I love this stuff. I live and breathe it. I lay in bed at night thinking about it. Even if it's just a second opinion on something you have from somebody else, I am happy to help you whether you're a client or not. I'm on my mobile. Orlando may listen to that and go, that's a dork. But then the minute somebody walks into Orlando's office and goes, dude, I think we are being overcharged on these skid steers. I got the freaking Elon Musk of heavy equipment. Hold on. Bring the thing into my thing. We're going to call this little freaking savant and see what he says. Sean, I got one for you. Skid steers. Am I overpaying at $1,500? It just depends. Just out of curiosity, what are you using the skid steers for? Right now you're having a better conversation. So let's have it just sound a little bit more flowy. And I'm giving you permission to like freestyle a little bit and have each message sound a little bit different. I just want it to sound natural. Does that make sense? Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here or just simply comment with the word closer and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.